Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about cybersecurity, one of the most important topics in today's digital world. Cybersecurity is essential for protecting our personal information and keeping our digital systems secure. So, let's dive in and learn more about what cybersecurity is. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, and devices from unauthorized access, attacks, theft, and damage. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, technologies, and practices that are used to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital assets. Cybersecurity involves protecting a range of digital assets, including personal and financial information, intellectual property, and critical infrastructure. Cybersecurity is not just about protecting computers and networks, but also about protecting mobile devices, IoT devices, and even cloud-based systems. Why is cybersecurity important? Cybersecurity is important for a number of reasons. First, cyber attacks are becoming increasingly common and sophisticated. Cyber criminals are constantly looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities and gain access to digital systems. Second, cyber attacks can have serious consequences, ranging from financial loss and reputational damage to loss of life in some cases. For example, a cyber attack on a hospital's network could disrupt critical medical services and put patients' lives at risk. Third, cybersecurity is important for protecting privacy. In today's digital world, personal information is often stored and transmitted electronically. Cybersecurity is essential for protecting this information from unauthorized access and misuse. Cybersecurity techniques and technologies. Cybersecurity involves a range of techniques and technologies that are used to protect digital systems and networks. Some of the most common techniques and technologies include firewalls. Firewalls are used to monitor and filter incoming and outgoing network traffic. They can be used to block unauthorized access and prevent cyber attacks. Encryption. Encryption is used to protect sensitive data by converting it into a form that can only be read by authorized parties. This is done by using a key or password to encrypt and decrypt the data. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDs, IPS. These systems are used to detect and prevent unauthorized access and attacks on digital systems. Authentication and access controls. These are used to ensure that only authorized users have access to digital systems and networks. This can involve using passwords, biometric identification, and other methods. Conclusion. So that's a brief introduction to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is essential for protecting our personal information, digital systems, and critical infrastructure. It involves a range of techniques and technologies that are used to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital assets. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.